Hey Nathaniel, I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to write on an actual slide, a Google Slides, instead of having to type your answers in the text box, knowing that you're working with fractions. So if you just go to Insert and you go all the way down to Line and then down to Scribble, you're able to use your mouse to write your answers. You will be able to write a fraction. Make sure you hit the scribble right here. You'll be able to write a fraction. You just have to keep on clicking it every time you stop. So you see how, like right now, I can't do anything. I have to make sure right now I can click on the scribble right here and it should work. So that you're able to at least write on the slide without having to use the text box. But it is also kind of hard to do it. You can't let go of the clicker. You can't let go of your mouse while doing it, because if so, it might stop. I know it's not the best way to do this, but hopefully it does help. Once again, if you have any questions, please just reach out and I'll be able to help you. If once again, if you're able to print it out, that's great. Print it out, do it on the paper, and then send a picture of it to me in Class Dojo. Have a great weekend and stay safe.